Howdy y'all. So as you can see, there's a huge mess behind the dryer. And today in this video, we're gonna clean this back here behind the dryer as well as the vent, so stay tuned. Duct hasn't been touched for the past 4 or 5 years. God only knows how much dust and dirt in there accumulated at this point. Picture sums it all. We're gonna be using this dry vent cleaning brush. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. Alright, so now we're gonna go ahead and start putting this together. Got my impact driver here. That's what we're gonna use, DeWalt. Just heads up, if you are sensitive to dust, I recommend wearing a mask. But I'm gonna see how I do here. So there you go. Start it slow as you work your way up. We're just gonna go ahead and add some more extension right about here as we start going up. So let's pull this slowly down. There you go. Some more dust. Okay, second round we brought some more dust. So it looks like we're gonna add one more and do a third time and then start cleaning. This is how much dirt was in the vent, inside the vent. So now we're gonna start vacuuming this. It's good to do this, conduct this kind of routine cleanup. This much dust, continues to accumulate inside the vent. More and more it's going to be difficult for your dryer to function properly, and the sooner you can actually wear out your dryer because it's going to start overheating and start damaging internal components like a heating supply, assembly and stuff like that in your dryer, right? So this is a good cleaning routine right here to prolong the life of your dryer, as well as keeping the dust and dirt away from your basically from your laundry area. Okay, now we're just gonna clean the inside of the dryer too. So we just hooked them back up, and as you can see back there, it's super clean and all's looking good. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys find this video to be helpful. If you did, please give a thumbs up, and I hope to catch you guys in future videos. Take care.